Today, we're diving deep into the world of Instagram, and I'm going to share with you my journey from $0 to $500,000 in passive income using faceless Instagram accounts. Stick around because, by the end of this extended video, you'll have a comprehensive guide to kickstart your own success story on the platform. Alright folks, let's jump into it. 2 years ago, I started with zero knowledge about Instagram, and now, it's a thriving business generating over $500,000 on autopilot. Today, I'm spilling all the secrets so you can replicate these results. No more waiting. Let's get into it. Step 1. Starting your Instagram journey with a passion is the key. We're talking about travel, sports, health, fitness, or whatever lights a fire in you. This is the foundation, and trust me, passion will be your guiding star throughout this journey. Alright folks, let's dig deep into the first step, and trust me, it's the most crucial one, finding your passion. This is not just about randomly picking a niche, it's about discovering what truly ignites that fire within you, what makes your heart race and your mind buzz with excitement. Why passion matters. Starting your Instagram journey with passion is not just a suggestion, it's the cornerstone of your success. Here's why. When you're passionate about something, creating content around it becomes a joy rather than a chore. It's the difference between going through the motions and genuinely loving what you do. Examples and metaphors. Think of your passion as the compass that points you in the right direction. Whether it's travel, sports, health, or fitness, it's not just about the subject, it's about the emotions, the stories, and the experiences attached to it. Imagine your passion as the fuel that powers your Instagram engine. Without it, you might move, but you won't go far. Consider this journey like setting sail on uncharted waters. Your passion is the wind in your sails, propelling you forward. Without it, you risk drifting aimlessly or, worse, getting stuck in the doldrums of content creation. How to identify your passion? Now, I get it. Not everyone knows their passion right off the bat. It's not always a lightning strike of inspiration. Sometimes, it's a gradual realization. Start by asking yourself what you could talk about for hours without getting bored. What makes you lose track of time? What do you find yourself doing in your free time? Your passion might be hiding in those moments. Let me share a personal example. When I started, I didn't immediately know that travel was my passion. It took experimenting with different niches until I stumbled upon travel. And suddenly, everything clicked. The content creation felt effortless because I was genuinely excited about the places, the cultures, and the stories Step 2. Downloading the right tools is crucial. I'll guide you through the Adobe Creative Cloud for students or the budget-friendly alternatives, CapCut and Canva. Remember, simplicity is power. I grew my first account to 1.5 million followers using just Canva. Step 3. Understanding the Instagram algorithm is your secret sauce. Forget likes. Watch time, saves, and shares are the real MVPs. I've got more insights for you, so stick around to optimize your content for the algorithm. Why understanding the algorithm matters? First things first, why does this even matter? Well, Instagram, like any social media platform, doesn't just show your content to everyone who follows you. It uses a complex algorithm to determine what appears on someone's feed. And here's the kicker. Understanding this algorithm is like having a superpower in the Instagram game. Likes, old news, here's what matters. Forget what you've heard about likes being the be-all and end-all. The real MVPs here are watch time, saves, and shares. Likes are so 2010. The algorithm has evolved, and we need to evolve with it. So, let's break down these 3 pillars. Watch time. This is the gold standard. How long someone spends looking at your content is what Instagram cares about. It's not just about a quick scroll. It's about holding your audience's attention. Saves. Ever hit that bookmark icon on a post? That's a save. Instagram sees this as a vote of confidence in your content. It means your audience finds value in what you're sharing, and that's music to the algorithm's ears. Shares. When someone shares your content, it's like a ripple effect. Your post goes beyond your immediate audience and reaches new eyes. Shares signal that your content is not just good, it's share-worthy, and that's Instagram gold. Insights and numbers. Now here's where it gets interesting. I've done some digging, and let me drop some knowledge bombs. The typical time spent looking at a post on Instagram is between 3 to 5 seconds. That's your window to make an impression. For saves, it's about 5 saves for every 1,000 impressions. Shares, 2 shares for every 1,000 impressions. Now, these are the averages. But let me tell you, we're aiming higher. We're not here to be average. We're here to break the mold. Optimizing for the algorithm. So how do you optimize your content for this algorithmic goodness? It's all about creating content that encourages watch time, saves, and shares. I'll show you how to craft content that people can't just scroll past. It's about creating that stopping power, that wow factor, that makes someone pause in their scrolling journey. Crafting your content strategy. Consider this. The average attention span on Instagram is short, between 3 to 5 seconds. So your content needs to be captivating from the get-go. The hook, that first moment, needs to be bold, intriguing, and impossible to ignore. I'll share with you strategies to not just meet, but exceed those average metrics. We're not aiming for the norm, we're aiming for virality. Your content, your advantage. Remember, the algorithm is not your enemy, it's your ally. It wants to showcase content that people engage with. So, stick around, because in the upcoming sections, I'll guide you on how to create content that doesn't just exist, but thrives in the Instagram algorithm. Understanding this algorithm is your secret sauce. It's not just about posting, it's about strategically crafting content that plays well with the algorithm's preferences. So, let's optimize your content for success in the Instagram algorithm game. Stay tuned for more insights coming your way. Step 4. Creating viral posts is an art, and I'll show you how to master it. Canva is our go-to for engaging content, and using ChatGPT, we'll generate motivational quotes to elevate your posts to another level. Get ready to turn heads on the platform. Reels are the game changer. Instagram is pushing them hard, and we're going to ride that wave. I'll walk you through creating simple yet viral videos using quotes and a nifty text-to-speech AI. Buckle up for some serious engagement. Step 5. Before hitting the share button, let's run a detailed checklist. We want people to not just glance, but stop, share, comment, and save. Stick around as we break down each aspect to ensure your content goes viral. Step 6. Repeating what's working is the secret sauce. If slide posts are gaining traction, we're doubling down on them. I'll show you how to interpret Instagram insights like a pro to keep your content game strong. Step 7. Monetizing your account is where we talk big bucks. I'll guide you through reaching out to companies, offering exposure, and negotiating advertising deals that can make you thousands. This is the real deal, folks. Final step. Consistency is our mantra. Instagram is a marathon, not a sprint. I'll emphasize the importance of being consistent, posting better content every day, and outlasting the competition. Most people give up. Let's make sure you're not one of them. Thanks for sticking with me through this extended guide. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. This is just the beginning of our Instagram growth journey together. Until next time, happy gramming.